don't think that finding Dark Charlie and locking her up is going to work. I mean, she may be dark, but she's still a part of you.
You're right. I hate it, but you're right. Okay, let's go to the bunker. Baum used the key to Oz. Maybe there's something in Meadowblitter's files about the key. If we fix it, we can get back to Oz.
All right, you guys dig into that. I'm going to keep an eye on Russell and wait for Dark Charlie to show up.
Are you sure? Maybe I should be the one.
No, I got it. It's, I just can't believe I have to protect this piece of crap.
Now, you got to protect them both. I mean, if Dark Charlie gets hurt, then...
So do I, so be careful.
Got it.
He goes all dark and goes,
Is he okay?
gets all blood-busted and starts killing. He might kill Charlie and she
I'll tell you,
Good Charlie might die.
Keep fighting your mind.